Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you really helpful keyboard tricks that every single Mac user needs to know, so just keep watching. So the first trick is super easy and I think every single person is capable of this keyboard hack. So I'm just looking up a random website so I could give you guys a really good example. Don't ask why I'm looking up cat adoptions. On the right side I have Google Docs pulled up. So here I am just clicking on a random page, and to select everything from this page, all you have to do is simply press Command A on your keyboard. So again, it's Command A, and this is going to highlight and select everything from that page, including any pictures that could be on there as well. And now you want to Command C to copy everything that's highlighted. And now that you have that copied, you're gonna go ahead and move over to your Google Doc or whatever document you have pulled up and press Command V. This is going to paste everything that was highlighted from that last page you were on. Now pressing Command F is going to generate a search engine for that page. This is so helpful, especially if you're looking at really long documents. Here I typed in adoption and you can see every single word for adoption is highlighted. So you can keep scrolling and see where your keyword is going to be shown up on your page. The next trick is Command Z. This is going to undo anything that you type. So here I typed in hello and press Command Z, and that just deleted that hello I typed in. To give you guys another example, I'm copying and pasting this paragraph onto the Google Doc. And if you press Command Z, that's going to undo the paste. So it's gonna delete that whole paragraph. And it's so easy, especially if you're in applications like Photoshop. This also works. The next keyboard hack is so cool. It's hiding your browser. So press Command H, and this is going to hide your browser that you have pulled up. And to get it back, you're going to click that application that you were using the browser on. So here I click Google Chrome and it popped right back up just the way my screen was. So the next simple trick is pressing Command M to minimize your screen. It's super easy. Just select the screen you want to minimize and press onto Command M. And the next trick after this is Command T. This is going to generate a new tab in your browser. So if you're using Google Chrome, you can press that button as many times as you want, and that's going to create brand new tabs. So I barely use this trick, but I think it's kind of cool. Pressing Command S is going to save your page as an HTML file. You can create a folder with all these random websites if you want. I barely use this trick. Option Command Escape is going to allow you to force quit any app you have running. This is really helpful, especially if you have apps that lag a little bit or they're not responding. You can go ahead and just completely quit it. Remember to save anything that you were working on, but this is helpful if you want to like even clear up all your windows you have open. So I definitely saved the best for last. Command Shift 4 is going to allow you to screenshot whatever you have up. This is one of the most used feature that I personally use on a daily basis, and it's cool because you can drag your cursor to whatever you want to save, and you can even edit the screenshot right on your laptop, and you can save it, send it, and do whatever you want. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys found it really helpful. If you did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can make more just like this. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!